that sounds good.
SHOCKA on the beats. SHOCKA on the beats. SHOCKA on the beats. SHOCKA on the beats.
Nice. Definitely feel that pull. You know what? The Supercharger isn't as loud as what I thought it would be. Like, you don't hear the.
There is no whine on this Supercharger.
Yeah.
And that's another reason, because I have Superchargers that whine.
Okay.
I've got a Z06. When you hear that thing crank up, it goes whee, and it is loud. It's nothing.
Definitely feel the pull, man.
Oh yeah.
This definitely feels every bit of 500 wheel horsepower.
It's got a lot of torque.
Oh yeah.
I sent you some pictures by email of this while it was being done.
See, this is what I was looking into, the Edelbrock.
I know, and that's why I responded to you, and I said, oh.
Okay, so, like, let's go over exactly what's entailed with this. So you purchased the complete setup. It has an intercooler in the actual Supercharger itself. So, but what other upgrades did you have to do along with the Edelbrock?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Absolutely nothing. Edelbrock supplied everything: gaskets, wiring harness, throttle body, air intake, fuel pump, the intercooler, all of the plumbing, everything.
Okay. And so how much did that run you?
About $6,300.
And then what was the install?
The install I got away cheap.
Okay.
Because I had a very good friend of a friend's do it, who's passionate about these kind of cars and passionate about racing.
Okay.
In fact, he is a race car driver himself, and he did it for dirt.
Okay. And what do you think? You got this thing on the dyno?
I have not dynoed it. I'm not big on dynos. I don't like them. They scare the living bejeebies out of me. Because
honestly, it is stressful because you're like, I don't want to blow my engine here.
I get stressed watching dyno tests and going, no.
Yeah.
Thanks, no.
And beating the crap out of the car. So what PSI are we running here?
They run at about, I think, 2.8, 2.9. A very low PSI.
Okay. So it would probably, I don't know which belt this is, but usually it's like 6 or 7 pounds that go into this.
So like on a Procharger, on Whipples, on a whole bunch of the other Callaways, they run 6 to 7. The reason I went with the Edelbrock is because they kept saying it is literally a bolt-on turnkey to give you everything, including all the specialty tools.
Yep. Okay.
And the tuner, and a handheld tuner. My mechanic had a lot of trouble with the handheld tuner, and a lot of trouble getting Edelbrock to cooperate with what he was trying to do. They were A little less than cooperative. He wasn't happy about that.
Okay.
But because of the low PSI, everything from from the supercharger down can remain completely stock.
This thing sounds like a damn monster. Wow, that exhaust setup you have is insane.
All right.
SHOCKA on the beats. SHOCKA.